So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Solana here on Questrade. And if you guys are new to Questrade, I have a link down below in the description of this video of a referral code. If you use this referral code when signing up, we both get $50 in the process. So that's pretty fun. But to buy Solana, go to the bottom left and press on buy and sell. At the top here, I want you to go ahead and type in ticker symbol SOLL. SOLL.TO is what you're looking for here. So what this is this is a Solana ETF traded in Canadian dollars. Now, you can't actually go out there and purchase Solana or any crypto for that matter through Questrade. Instead, you have to go the ETF route. So there's also other ETFs as well, but this is an example of a Solana ETF that you can buy and add to your portfolio. So once you have your ETF selected, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you guys are on this next page right here, it's where you guys can review your transactions. So if you want to go ahead and select limit, you can do a market order or a limit order. We'll just do market order for an example. And if I wanted to buy 1 share as an example, that's the price it'll be. And if you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on review order, and finalize the transaction that way. So that is how you guys can buy Solana here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.